Congratulations! This came through the door this morning on your purchase of the finest entry tools available. If you have the skills, we have the tools. Notice they say if. So if you haven't got any skills, we haven't got the tools apparently. There's a couple of scrubby reiki pickies. And it's from www.sparrowslockpicks.com. info@sparrowslockpicks.com. So yeah, I've been shopping online and I've bought 4 Sparrows hook picks because mine are getting bent. It gave me a bunch of tension wrenches with it, like 6 or 7. Anyway, I'm going to have a go at single pin picking this double-ended Euro. It's a sterling again. I'm going to use this tension wrench. This was from Rich, thanks Wadacy. I'm going to use this new Sparrow hook. Oops. Okay, this is a shit lock again. Just as crap as the bloody rim cylinder really. There's a lot of zero lifts on these. That's the only way that you can go wrong with these really. You end up picking the pins that don't need picking, which is putting it into you know, an unpickable position. So you have to be less is more on these. Just reset that. There we go. Okay, I made a meal out of that actually, to be honest. Sometimes I go in, just touch one fucking pin and it just opens. Anyway, there you go. Picking pull, single pin picking, his second lock. A sterling 5-pin Euro with my new Sparrows hook pick, which was recommended to me by Mech. Was it Mech? So thanks, Tom. They're nice. I like the handles. Comfortable. I got a few blisters from using the Southward and the Majestic. Must have virgin fingers or whatever, but it was pretty sore. These at least you can rest your finger on that nice bit of handle. Yeah. Thanks, Sparrows Lock Picks. I only ordered it the other day. They delivered it pretty quick, so cheers for that. Let's just see if I can do this again. There we go. See what I mean? See how quick that was that time? Literally 3 seconds or something. So if you've got a sterling, I think you need to change it. Assuming there's no lock picking thieves in your town. Yeah, please keep it legal.